What's up guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. Today video is not about something like programming or building something for mobile apps or web apps. It's totally a separate topic, which I thought I should choose because most of the people, they want to create some kind of portfolio or CV, specifically to apply for the job, or maybe to show someone that, yeah, here is my portfolio, and you can see what type of projects I have done, what specific domain I belong to. So I think I should share my personal experience with this WIX platform. So it's not the promotional video regarding WIX, it's just the platform that I have used, and I really like that platform, so I thought I should share with you guys. So this video is going to be specific that how you can create your own portfolio. For the example purposes, let me show this portfolio that I have created. If I click on that website, you can see I am using the free version. I didn't upgrade my premium plan. If you want to, you can also upgrade the premium plan and enjoy some more features, but I just wanted to show as a beginner, if you cannot pay for their upgraded plan and just want to stick to the free version, you can also create a lot of things with it using the WIX platform. So there are other bunch of platform as well. I didn't try those. I just tried this one, so I thought I should share my personal experience. So this is one of the example that I created this portfolio. Let me reload this page again so that you will see there are animations involved as well, and you go down as well. You can see I have put everything here, the companies I have worked with, my experience, my education, my skills, as well as the projects I have worked on since last 10 years or so. And then at the bottom there is a contact form, and if some person would want to contact you and submit that, you can directly get that message on your email as well. And you can add this feature as well to directly, if someone wants to chat with you online. So this is really cool, and the good thing about this platform is that you can set up. If I click on this select and edit site, which I have created already, so let's wait for load the page. And if you edit this site, you can easily edit through your account which you have created on the WIX editor. So you can see we have this mobile platform as well, and if you click on that, you can see it is mobile responsive as well. So if someone will open your link on their mobile, they will see something like this. So it's pretty cool. I think I should I thought I should show you that how I created this. And this is the web version, and you can also provide your social media links, like I have put like LinkedIn, Facebook, and my YouTube as well, and also my GitHub as well. So you can also put your custom icons here as well, and I can put my GitHub link through that icon. So it's pretty simple. The idea is pretty simple. You can go to my sites. First thing first, you just need to create your account. So I have created already. So as you can see, my account is here on WIX, and then you can choose the button like create a new site. When you click that create a new site, it will ask you what type of site you want to create. So let's say, for in my example, for instance, I click portfolio and general portfolio, journalist, PR, creative, developer portfolio, something like that. So let's see, if I can click on developer, press next, and okay, enter your website name. So let's say if I am creating some portfolio website, so let's say let's pick any name, let's say John Doe, and click on next. Right, as you can see, they have provided you a lot of templates, so that you can pick one of them, and you can use it, edit it accordingly. So if you want to create some online store, forums, videos, and other things you want to create as well, you can check the tick right here, and you can also skip that, and you can select those templates later on. So let's just click on this portfolio, click next, and yeah, start setting up your website. Go to dashboard, preparing your dashboard. Okay, so here you go. This is the dashboard, and if you want to click on design site, it will take you to get started and drag and drop the components that are already available on Wix, or if you want to pick a template. So I'm going to choose pick a template because it's really easy to have a built-in template and edit that according to your needs. So there are a bunch of templates available. You can go through these pages as well, 1 2 3 4, and you can see on hover over all the templates. You can edit and view those as well. So let's say if I want to view some specific, let's go to page 1, and yeah, so you remember my example, I picked this type of template. If you view that, you can see there is a nice animation. You can edit this side, and if you go down, you see about section, experience section, and also education section, client, skills, expertise, contact me. So I edit this particular template and build my own like this. You can see I have put everything which is related to my. So that's cool. And if you go back to templates, and you can choose some other one like this. Let's say if you want to view that, you can scroll down. You see all the animations within a single page. You can edit that site as well. Go to edit site, and you can easily drag and drop bunch of components from the side panel that Wix has provided, or you can edit the things which are currently available right here. So as you can see, if you can scroll all the way to the bottom, you can edit each section. Let's say if I want to change this specific text, if I can click on edit text, and if you double click on it, it will allow you to edit. Let's say I am John Doe, for example, UI UX designer and web developer. You can change the main heading here as well, and then go down below. You can edit your about section and all that. And if, as you can see on the left side, there is an element section. You can add whatever element you want to add: buttons, strips, probably decorative boxes, menu and chair, and you can pick bunch of stuff from here. Literally, it will allow you to drag and drop. And it is not just related to the portfolio. You can also create your other things. If you are working for some shopping store, you want to create your shopping store, you can choose the category, e-commerce or online shop, and it will gives you the template accordingly. So I think it's a pretty useful thing to use this Wix site, and you don't have to write any code. You just need to drag and drop thing, then click from your existing templates and edit things, delete something, edit the text, and if you want to click anything, you can change that accordingly. Let's say this line, if I can pick it and make this like this, and if I can drag up to here and put it 75% like so as well. So this is really simple and easy to use. You can just drag and drop. You can pick any topic you want. You can create your portfolio. You can create some online stores, shopping stores, something like that. And the beauty of this is that Wix gives you this opportunity to connect your own domain as well. If you have your own domain, or if you want to buy a new domain, it's really easy and simple. So it says first save your site. Let's say if I want to save and continue, and if I click on connect your domain, it will show this pop-up right here. So it says your site is saved. Okay, done. Connect your domain. Okay, so click on that, get a domain name, connect a domain you already own. So if you have your domain already, you can click this second option, and if you don't have any domain, you can click right here as well, and it will take you to a web page where it will show you all the packages they are offering to connect your domain. Let's say this is the most popular one for 23 euros per month, and you can change your currency according to your current country selection as well. So if I select this one, it will ask you if you want this yearly, 2 years, or monthly, something like that. So it gives you some discount if you choose yearly or 2 years plan. So you can click go to checkout, you can enter your card details, and you can buy this domain right here. All right, so this is pretty simple. You can also if I show my example, let me go to my own, yeah, this one. If I may show my example, because I haven't bought any kind of domain, so it's just showing wixsite.com slash my name, like so. And it also show this banner on top that this site is designed by Wix. So this is free version, that's why it is showing right here. But you could use free version as well to share this URL anybody who can open up this link and see your portfolio right here, or whatever the website you have. You can also um, promote your links as a marketing point of view if you have online store or some other website. uh, Probably if you buy your own domain, then that will really cool. Then Wix site will remove this top banner, and it will directly show your own domain right here. So I think this is pretty much clear. If you have any kind of questions, you can comment down below what questions you have. And if you need to learn anything, obviously I'm here to teach you guys whatever I learned in my lifetime, my skill set and experience. My I always think about, like, uh, make videos on something which I have you know learned something online, or do some such things. So yeah, that's it for this video. If you have any questions, comment down below. Please, if you like this video, press the thumbs up button and subscribe to this channel for more videos like this. Okay, bye bye.